This is a RAINTEN R9011A mechanical classic watch. This is a Bow Street luxury statement timepiece. This is a mechanical watch with bold graffiti-inspired aesthetics with reliable MIYOTA automatic movement. It aimed at fashion-forward wearers who want a statement piece. My name is ABEiiKU. Subscribe to the channel and let's go. Let's go at the unboxing experience. It comes in this premium looking beautiful box presentation, a very simple minimalistic design with the logo on it, which is the RAINTEN, and also it looks very nice because it comes in gold design. Unbox it, take this box out, beautiful and pleasant, and then inside the box you're going to see the watch, this one as well as this kind of design over here, which looks really beautiful and premium. User manual, it gives you diagrammatic representation and also gives you a lot of controls and how you can use it. It also gives you accurate information about RAINTEN and how it was formed. You're also going to have the adjustment piece. It's meant to adjust the wrist or the armband of the watch. If it is bigger than your arm, for example, as I have over here, you can see that it's bigger, and so you need to have like sizes that fit perfectly for you. So you have an adjustable tool over here, and then make sure that the side that has a hole in it like this is facing this side of the tool. So you just put this one inside like this, and then put this one here. It's secured now. Then put the other side also over here into this, and once it is secured this way, you just turn this one to open it like this. The first impression of this RAINTEN R9011A mechanical watch is really beautiful. This graffiti style immediately grabs attention. Real diamond at 12 o'clock and 18 karat gold R logo stands out. Zircon stones on case and bracelets sparkle under light. So if you have a light like this and you position this way, you can see how it sparkles over here, and that makes it really beautiful. It has a solid weight in the hand and it feels really premium. So when you look at the size of the watch like this, you might think it looks very small in size, but in reality it has this kind of premium weight. At the moment you hold it, you know that this is a luxury piece of watch. Now let's use a design and build quality. It has a 40 square case, which you can find over here, and also has 40 multicolor zircon stones with 1.5mm real die. So you can see the surface over here where you can see all the zircon stones that are multi-layered over here. And the stones are multicolored, so you can see pink over here, you can also see blue and ice over here, you can also see a little bit of shade of green and gold, you can also see a little bit of shade of purple, and that makes it really beautiful. So the graffiti style is really gorgeous in terms of design. It also has a stainless steel bracelet. The bracelet also has a 168 zircon stones, which also you can find over here. It has a luminous hand and date for practical use. You can see from the back over here that this watch is automatic, and which simply means that it doesn't use any kind of battery in it. And so the moment the watch is there, it starts to work once you set it right. And that's how the MIYOTA automatic mechanical watch works. It also has a fold over clasp and button that feels secure. So this is the fold over clasp. Once you put it this way, it folds, and then when you put this one also here, it folds and locks, and that gives a very secure connection to the watch. Then when you want to open it, you just tap or press the size that you find over here, and then it just opens for you. So you can easily put it onto your arm. Put this one here, it snaps on easily, and then you put the other side on it and it snaps on easily. The design here, because there is a stainless steel, means that it is going to be resistant against wear and tear. It has a lot of amazing features. The movement that you find over here, as well as the one that you find at the bottom, these are all MIYOTA 8215 automatic. It also has die graffiti art. So when you look inside it, you can see the graffiti art design. One impressive thing about this is that even though it is meant to be a watch that is worn occasionally, and not for casual or normal day use, but they're looking at the nature and how this design is meant for special occasions. But one of the things I like about this is that irrespective of it being mechanical and having this kind of gold and diamond design and polishing and finishing to it, you can see that it has 50 meter water resistance. So for example, you take it to a wedding or party, and then when you are returning, it's raining. This RAINTEN R9011A is going to stand as a water resistance, and you not have any need to worry about. We've never seen a watch like this before, where I think that mechanical watches become water resistant. For most situations, I thought it used to be smart watches, but having this a mechanical watch that is meant for special occasions makes it a joy to use. At a price of $359, who is this watch for? So this watch is for someone who looks for strong value for unique design, plus reliable automatic movement, anyone who is more fashion forward, and also look for heritage style design and watches. This RAINTEN R9011A is meant for you. It is bold, it is colorful, it is beautiful, it is a unique timepiece that blends fashion and mechanics. It has a reliable MIYOTA movement that ensures functionality, ideal for those who want to stand out. For someone looking for a watch that stands out clearly and also combines aesthetic and classic design, this RAINTEN R9011A mechanical graffiti style street watch is one that you need to go. I think this is really beautiful, and I think it's going to stay in my collections for a long while. My name is ABEiiKU. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.